The students are learning to work with a protractor. This is an example of a protractor they're using in class. We've told them to use this little centerpiece here and have it match up with the vertex of where the two rays line up to create the angle. The other thing they've been told to do is to take one of their bases of the angles, either the left or the right side, and line it up to the 0 so that then they can determine their angle. Another thing we asked them to do is to go ahead and put A for an acute angle, R for right angle, or A for obtuse. This will help them determine which number to choose. They do know that an acute angle is less than 90 degrees, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. Here's an example of an angle that's already drawn on top of a protractor. The first thing we'd want the kids to do is put an A. This is an acute angle, it is less than 90 degrees. So we're going to look at it, and we're looking for this opening here, and it goes right through these two numbers. So their options are between 30 and 40, or between 140 and 150. Since they already said acute, they should already know that it should be in between these numbers. And halfway between 30 and 40 is 35 degrees, so this is an acute angle at 35 degrees. Again, here's another example. This angle is now opening to the left side. Same thing, they should already write A for acute because it is less than 90 degrees. And again, they have to choose between 100 and 110 or between 70 and 80. We're going to select those numbers because it's an acute angle. And again, between 70 and 80 would be 75 degrees. Although these images are blurred, I just think you can get the idea. They should have put an A next to this one for being acute and O next to this one for being obtuse. Again, they're going to measure it out. This one lands right on 50. The other option was 130. Obviously, 130 is not an option. 50 is correct. On this one, we noted it was obtuse. That means it's greater than 90. So again, our option was either 150 or 110. 110 being the correct answer because it was an obtuse angle. Two more to practice with. The one on the left is an acute angle. The one on the left is pretty close to a right angle, but it doesn't quite get there. So I'm going to go ahead and name it as an acute angle. This one falls between 30 and 40, or between 150 and 140. Acute means I have to be less than 90, and halfway through is 35 degrees. The one on the right is very close to a 90-degree angle. It's just less than that. Again, it's between 80 and 90, or between 90 and 100. Acute means less than 90, and halfway point is 85 degrees. Hope this helps.